This is a 2007 Mercury Montego. It features a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and a continuous variable transmission. Its top features include memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a sunroof, cruise control, a 7-speaker audio system, leather seats, 18-inch wheels, a security system, a traction control system, heated front seats, and this vehicle has fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
All-American Ford of Old Bridge is dedicated to do everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3698 Route 9 South in Old Bridge.